Welcome to Freedom Fully, where we explore living fully and aging gracefully.
Hello, wonderful grandparents, and welcome to Freedom Fully. Today we're exploring something close to my heart, developing eco-friendly habits that not only benefit the planet, but also create meaningful connections with our grandchildren and set a positive example for future generations. If you want to leave a better world for your grandchildren, while also teaching them valuable lessons about caring for our planet, this video will give you practical, enjoyable ways to incorporate environmental consciousness into your daily life and your time with the little ones. Over our time together today, I'll share eco-friendly habits that are perfect for the grandparent lifestyle, activities that are gentle on your body, budget-friendly, and create wonderful opportunities for bonding with grandchildren while making a positive environmental impact. As grandparents, we have a unique opportunity and motivation to care for the environment. We've lived long enough to see changes in our world, and we have the wisdom to understand the importance of leaving a positive legacy. Teaching through example. Children learn more from what they see us do than from what we tell them. When grandchildren see us making environmentally conscious choices, they naturally adopt these values as normal and important. The gift of time and patience. Unlike busy parents, grandparents often have the time to engage in slower, more thoughtful environmental practices, composting, gardening, or teaching children about nature and conservation. Let's explore daily habits that are easy to implement and maintain, regardless of your physical abilities or living situation. Water conservation. Simple practices like turning off the tap while brushing teeth, taking shorter showers, and collecting rainwater for plants. These habits are easy to model for grandchildren and often save money too. Energy awareness. Develop habits around turning off lights, unplugging devices, and using natural light when possible. Make it a game with grandchildren to spot energy waste around the house. Mindful consumption. Before buying something new, ask, do I really need this? Can I borrow, buy used, or make do with what I have? This mindset often aligns with the frugal values many seniors already hold. Some of the most meaningful environmental habits involve activities you can share with your grandchildren, creating memories while teaching important values. Gardening together. Start a small garden, even if it's just herbs on a windowsill. Children love watching plants grow, and you're teaching them where food comes from while providing fresh, healthy ingredients. Nature walks and exploration. Regular walks in parks, nature preserves, or even around the neighborhood help children develop a love for nature. Bring a magnifying glass and field guide to make it educational and fun. Upcycling and craft projects. Turn recyclable materials into art projects or useful items. This teaches creativity, resourcefulness, and the value of giving new life to old things. Environmental consciousness can be adapted to any living situation, whether you're in your own home, a retirement community, or assisted living. Apartment and condo living. Focus on what you can control, reducing waste, choosing eco-friendly products, and participating in building recycling programs. Many retirement communities are embracing sustainability initiatives. Limited mobility solutions. If mobility is a concern, focus on habits that don't require physical exertion, choosing products with less packaging, supporting environmentally responsible companies, and teaching grandchildren about environmental issues. Community involvement. Join or start environmental groups in your community. Participate in local cleanup events, or advocate for sustainable practices in your neighborhood or retirement community. As grandparents, we have the opportunity to share environmental wisdom and values in ways that stick with children throughout their lives. Storytelling and share stories about how the world has changed during your lifetime, what the air and water were like when you were young, how communities used to be more self-sufficient, and the importance of caring for our shared home. Hands-on learning. Teach practical skills like composting, growing food, or simple repairs that extend the life of items. These skills build confidence and environmental awareness. Leading by example. Show rather than preach. When children see you choosing reusable bags, turning off lights, or caring for plants, they learn that these behaviors are normal and important. Think about the environmental legacy you want to leave for your grandchildren and future generations. Small actions, big impact. Remember that small, consistent actions add up to significant impact over time. Every eco-friendly choice you make contributes to a better world for your grandchildren. Documenting your journey. Consider keeping a journal or photo album of your environmental activities with grandchildren. This creates a record of your shared commitment to caring for the planet. Inspiring others. Share your environmental journey with other grandparents, friends, and family members. Your example might inspire others to make positive changes too. What a beautiful way to show love for your grandchildren, by caring for the world they'll inherit. The eco-friendly habits you develop and model today will influence generations to come. Remember, you don't have to be perfect or make dramatic changes overnight. Every small step toward environmental consciousness is a gift to your grandchildren and a contribution to a healthier, more sustainable world. Your love for your grandchildren is one of the most powerful motivations for environmental action. Let that love guide you toward habits and choices that protect and preserve the beautiful world we all share. This is a great way to show your grandchildren how they too can pursue freedom fully.